मुझे विश्वास है कि भारत के किसान समझदार हैं। वो इस बात को समझेंगे कि ये देश हित और किसान हित के कानून है। आखिर इसी के कारण देश भर के किसान भी इसको अपनाना चाह रहे हैं। कई हमारे पास उदाहरण आए हैं जिसमें किसानों को इसका लाभ मिलना शुरू हो गया है। मैं समझता हूं कि किसान भाई बहन ये माओवादी नक्सल के चंगुल से निकले, उनके प्रभाव से निकले, चर्चा और बातचीत के माध्यम से और सरकार के द्वार खुले दिल और खुले मन से उनके साथ चर्चा करके, अगर अभी भी कोई उनको संदेह हो, कोई भ्रांति हो, अभी भी कुछ प्रकार का उनके मन में शंका हो, तो हम हर विषय के ऊपर चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार।
बट रिपील करने का कोई सवाल नहीं।
कानून जब बनता है तो पूरे देश के लिए बनता है। देश में करोड़ों लोग उसका लाभ लेते हैं और मैं समझता हूं करोड़ों लोगों को के लाभ को मद्देनजर रखते हुए अगर कोई उसमें फिर भी कुछ कमी उनको महसूस होती है जो वो बात कर सकते हैं और हमें कुछ लगता है कि करके उससे उनको समाधान मिलता है। जैसे आखिर हमने पुरानी बातों में से निचोड़ निकाल के जो उनके संदेह हमें समझ में आए उन बातचीतों में से उनको एक बड़ा अच्छा प्रपोजल दिया है, उस पर भी कोई चर्चा नहीं करने को तैयार है। तो बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण स्थिति है कि माओवादी नक्सल उनको चर्चा से रोक रहे और उनको शायद अराजकता ही फैलाना उनका काम है।
आपको लगता नहीं कि मतलब कंट्री वाइड उनको सपोर्ट है और इंटेंसिफाई होगा?
आप बताएं, आज आपने भारत बंद भी देख लिया, आज का भी दृश्य आपने देश भर में देख लिया, तो आप अपने आप आकलन लगाए, देश की जनता आकलन। दीज लॉज आर गिविंग न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू आवर फार्मर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स फॉर newer markets, to be able to sell their produce in newer markets at higher prices at the best time when they want to sell it. It'll invite investment, it'll open up value addition, food processing, expand infrastructure investment. These are laws which are implemented for the interests of farmers across the country. I do not think we should deny the farmers in all parts of India the benefits of these laws. If anybody has any concerns on specific issues, any misunderstandings, we are happy to address them. We are happy to discuss specific issues, specific clauses of the law which may cause concern at any time, 24 hours a day. Our doors are open. With an open mind and an open heart, we are willing to discuss every issue that the farmers would like to discuss. Sadly, it seems that the farmers' agitation has slipped out of the hands of the farmer leaders and is more in the hands of those leaders who have Maoist and Naxalite tendencies and thoughts. It has completely become an ideology of Naxalism that is prevailing upon the talks. Sadly, they are shooting from the shoulders of the farmers for their own agenda rather than trying to do the benefit for the farmers. I would appeal to the farmers to come for talks, to discuss specific issues that they may have concerns about. Our government, led by the world's most popular leader, a decisive visionary who is loved by the people of India, who is trusted by the people of India, has brought these laws for the benefit of the farmers, to give them more opportunities. We have not touched the existing systems at all. APMC markets will remain, in fact will be further strengthened. MSP will remain. In fact, what we have done for MSP, no previous government has done. Highest increases in MSP rates. We have doubled the value of procurement under MSP, and we have announced on the floor of the House, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, Prime Minister has announced, we are willing to give written assurance that MSP will be there always in the future in its current form. There is no reason for anybody to be worried. I would appeal to all intellectuals and people who understand to study the law and discuss and debate on issues so that everybody's apprehensions can be taken care of. Well, you provided the evidence. It is the media which showed us day before yesterday the kind of posters, the kind of speeches from the stage that were being made. I also have read and seen interviews of some of the farmer leaders in which they have reiterated and clearly demonstrated their sympathies for Shaheen Bagh type protests against CAA NRC. Very clearly, Maoists and Naxals have taken charge of this agitation. They are not allowing farmer leaders to even negotiate and discuss their genuine concerns. They are not allowing debate and dialogue to continue and are derailing the process which we would like to do to help assuage any doubts, any concerns, any misunderstandings our farmer brothers and sisters may have. I appeal to the farmers to come back and discuss with us. If you have any concerns, we are willing to discuss with an open mind, but we can assure you, and through you, all the people of India and all the farmers of India, these are laws which do not affect the existing systems in any way, whether APMC markets or MSP. They will continue as at present. These will only open up a voluntary opportunity, an option to the farmers. If he can get better deals, he can use this opportunity. If he still prefers to sell in the APMC mandi or under MSP, that door is and will always remain open.